What's up, YouTube? A couple weeks ago I installed BD iron horn 64.5 turbo with 0.9 housing, and so far I really like it. Don't really got much pros and cons on it, but pros, I would say, turbo boost is great. Drive pressure is wonderful, and my EGTs stayed nice and low. One thing I can say, I did lose the exhaust brake, but I ended up putting Pacbrake switch right there in line. PXR something, I think. So I'll do a little drive. I have Anarchy tunes, and we'll just go for a little drive. The sound on it is wonderful. Just running a straight pipe. Hopefully you guys be able to see this. Hopefully the sun is not too bad. I'm still running at 373 gears. Have not towed my toy hauler with it yet, but driving for the last few miles, for the last few weeks, maybe I can say increase 1 to 2 miles per gallon. And right now I will activate my switch. Time of day to be doing this video, but I just got done doing 607 mile trip, and I averaged 18 miles per gallon, and it says average 70, but I had a cruise control maybe 80, give or take. Drop it back down a fourth here. like I said, BD iron horn for $1,500 kit because my factory VGT turbo was sticking. Kept getting a check engine light, staying stuck at 50%. So I ended up just going with the VGT turbo, and the performance of it, I like it. Max boost I've seen so far is 35 pounds boost. Normally I'll get up to 32 pounds of boost, and Harley broke 1,000 EGTs, and I'm only still running on Tune 1, and still trying to, you know, prolong my 68 RFE. Well, thank you. Hopefully it's not a too long video. Bye.